Hi, grade 6 learners, and welcome back to our science class. So, we are now in lesson number 2 of the unit 3, and we will be talking about electrical circuit. Electrical circuit. So, actually, many appliances in our daily life need electrical energy for working. So, such as mobile phones, they need electrical energy. We have computers, we have television, we have refrigerators, and many more. So, electrical energy used for electrical appliances for them to move electrical charge from electrical power source. Okay, for them to work, you have to charge them or you have to connect them in the socket, right? And let's talk about our vocabulary. So we have electrical circuit. When we say electrical circuit, so this is the path for transmitting electric current. When we say path, so like for this one, so it's the way or the way for the electric current to move, okay, so that the appliances will work. So we have electrical conductor. When we say electrical conductor, so these are the materials that allows the flow of charge in one or more directions. So like for example, we have here the copper conductor. So copper is a very good conductor of an electricity so that the electric current will pass through it, right? So sometimes some wires are made up of copper because copper is a good conductor of a electrical circuit or electrical current. We have, so like for example this one, so we have the battery and we have the bulb. So this one inside here, this one, the brown one, is the copper wire. So copper wire is a conductor of electricity because it allows the electric to flow to it. Okay, that's why the bulb will light because of this copper. Again, copper is a good conductor of electricity. So copper wire. So conductors. So these are some examples of good conductors. Actually, almost metal is an electric conductors. Again, when you say conductors, they are absorbing the heat, alright? So like for example, we have the copper, we have the silver, we have gold, we have aluminum, we have iron, and we have mercury. So these things are good electric conductors because they allow the electricity to flow through it. So we have also the electrical insulators. When you say electrical insulators, so these are the materials that does not allow the electricity to flow. So like for example, we have the plastic. Plastic is one of a kind of an insulator because plastic doesn't allow the electricity to flow. So again, that is electrical insulator. So like for example, we have this one. So we use the plastic to connect the battery from this bulb. So what happened? So there's nothing happen. So look at this one. So the light bulb doesn't make a light. Why? Because we use the plastic. So again, because plastic is an electrical insulator. Meaning when you say insulator again, it doesn't allow the electricity to flow. So plastic does not allow the electric current to flow through it. So it's called an insulator. Again, plastic, it's called an insulator. Again, if the thing or that thing will allow the electricity to flow, that means it's an electrical conductor. But on the other hand, if that thing doesn't allow the electricity to flow through it, so that means it's an electrical insulator. So like for example, we have here, so the materials that do not conduct electricity, we have the plastic. So when we connect the plastic, so it doesn't work. We have the rubber, we have the cotton, and we have also the wood. So they are, or these are the materials that not conduct electricity, so they are called insulator, electrical insulators. So we will answering these two questions later on after our discussion. So where does electric current flow? And the second question is, what device is used to maintain the flow of electric current through an electrical appliance? So what do you think? So this time, if we unplug or turn off an electrical appliances, it will not work because there is no electricity or electricity flow to the appliances. Okay, so like for example this one, so a simple electricity is consists of the electric power source, which is our battery, or we can use also a generator. Second is we have the device, so any device, or for here we use the bulb, so the light bulb or any appliances. So that is the device that you're going to use. And also we're going to use some wires, okay, to connect to the battery and to the light bulb. So again, these are the simple electrical circuit. The first is, again, we have the electric power source, which is the battery. Second, we have the device or any appliances, or for this example, we have the light bulb, so that is the device. And the third one is we have the connecting wire, so some wire that we used to connect the battery and the electric power source, which is the battery, to connect it to the light bulb. So that is 3. Okay, the first simple electricity consists of, the first is we have the electrical power source. Electrical power source, or what we call the battery. So that is the source of the electrical. So that's why things work. So electric power source such as the dry cell battery. That is the first thing, okay? So the second one, we have the device or electrical appliance. Again, we have the device or electrical appliances that you want to connect to the battery, okay? So that is the device. So for this time, we use the light bulb. So here, the light bulb is our device or our electrical appliance. So light bulb. So for our device here, for example, we use the light bulb. So an light bulb converts electrical energy to light energy. And we have the third one. We have the electrical wire. So electrical wire is this one. So an electrical wire carries electric current between the batteries and to our device, which is the bulb. Alright, so this is some electrical wire. This is the one who connect, okay, who connect our electrical source and our device. For them to work, we need the electrical wire, because the electricity will flow in this one. So again, let's review. Simple electricity consists of the electric power source, which is our battery. Second, we use any device, or which is our light bulb, and also some wire to connect the voltage source and the load, which is our light bulb. Okay, for this next slide, I will be showing you some experiment how to connect these three. Okay, so please be ready and watch the video. And I think we are ready now to answer the two questions that we have in our previous slides. So the first is, where does the electric current flow? Okay, let's answer this one. The electric current is continuous flow of electrons in an electric circuit. So electric current is an external circuit directed from the positive to the negative terminal. So like for this one, so again, electric current is continuous flow of electrons in an electric circuit, which is our wire. For example, we have copper wire. So next question, what device is used to maintain the flow of electric current through an electrical appliance? So what do you think? What device? So that is the electrical power source, which is the battery, or the battery that we used, right? Or we can also use generator. Battery or generator. So for today, no worksheet, but be sure to take pictures while watching the video. It will serve as your attendance. Thank you.